So I let you guys pick what I should do with my all-white Vans. I put on Instagram my story yesterday, should I hydro dip these? And 91% of people said yes. 344 votes for yes, 32 for no. So pretty overwhelming response that I should hydro dip. Then I asked what color should I pick, either the top or the bottom. And this was a very, very close battle. There was 217 for top and 235 for bottom. So bottom won at 52% compared to 48%, so it was a tough, close battle. And then I asked, should I give them away? And again, 85% of the people said yes, so that's 314 yes, 55 say no. Told you to tell me why you would want the pair of shoes, and I got a lot of people asking for the shoes. So we're gonna pick a winner at the end of the video once the shoes are actually done, because at this point, the shoes are just white. I taped them up, and if you're asking, oh, Nick, how'd you tape them? Well, here's how I taped them. It is a very special day, not only because I'm hydro dipping shoes, but we got some new tape. A 3-pack.
Everything is upside down and strange. But I'm finding I got nobody to blame. Do not bother. I know that it is hard to understand. I know I was born to do this. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. I said I'm getting through this. Wait for me, please. Wait for me, please. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. 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 Don't you worry. I know it is too little, too late. Everything is upside down and strange. But you are my ground tonight. If we stay together, we will be alright. You need to move closer, dear. Destiny is all that we need to feel. Oh, good. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. All we've been dreaming of. All we've been dreaming of. I know that it is hard to understand. I know I was born to do this. All eyes on me. All eyes on me. I said I'm getting through this. Wait for me, please. Wait for me, please. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. Don't ever have to leave. Don't ever have to stay. This is all we've been dreaming of. All we've been dreaming of.
Also, one quick little side note, I wanted to mention something that you may or may not have picked up in the video. When I was hydro dipping, I actually hydro dipped each shoe twice. I didn't have any primer with me. I should have primed the shoes before, but when I first dunked them in, the paint didn't really adhere to the shoe, so it left a lot of like just white spots, and I didn't like that, so I just redid it and dunked the shoe again, so there's 2 layers of hydro dip on each shoe. In the future, I'll probably just prime the shoes to begin with, but yeah, I didn't prime them, so yeah, if you were thinking in the back of your head like, I wonder why Nick did that, that is why. I just wanted to make sure there wasn't any like big white chunks with no paint on it. So that's just a quick tidbit I wanted to throw out there. And the whole Instagram controls my art piece idea came from Ani Swani. I am butchering that name and I am so sorry, but Ani, thank you so much for the idea, and obviously I'm doing that idea, so thank you. So as you guys know, these are the final product. Pretty happy with them, and yeah, I think they came out pretty cool. So thank you again, Ani, I believe that's how you say your name. Thank you for the idea. These came out cool, and I also asked should I give them away, which the overwhelming response was yes, I should do a giveaway. But the winner was Sam Gold with 2 M's and 2 D's at the end. So Sam, I already messaged you, but I just want to announce it to everyone that I did pick a winner, and her name is Sam. So congrats, Sam, and hope you like the shoes. But with all that being said, that does it for this video. Yeah, if you guys like this idea, maybe I'll do more Instagram controls, different things, and maybe not just shoes, but maybe a hydro dip something else. Pretty simple idea, literally just letting Instagram control what I do with these shoes, and Instagram, you did not let me down. But if you want to participate in the next time I do this, if I do it, follow me on Instagram at Nick Ivey, and yeah, on my stories is where I made all the polls for all the different questions for these shoes. But with all that being said, see you in the near future. And now I'm just talking with shoes, so I'm gonna put them down. But yes, that's it. Bye.